Hi, and welcome. If you're here, chances are your 2008 Honda Odyssey's radio has locked itself after a battery replacement or power loss. This anti-theft feature can be a hassle, but don't worry, we'll walk you through the steps to unlock your radio easily. By the end of this video, you'll be able to retrieve your radio's unlock code, input it successfully, and troubleshoot any common issues. Let's get started. Understanding the problem. When the power supply to your radio is interrupted, the system automatically locks itself to deter theft. It requires a unique unlock code to function again. Without this code, your radio will display CODE and won't operate. But here's the good news. Retrieving and entering the code is straightforward with the right information and tools. Step 1. Finding the serial number. The first thing we need is your radio's serial number. It's the key to unlocking the code. Thankfully, you don't need to remove the radio or disassemble anything. Here's how to find it. Turn on the ignition. Put the key in the ignition and switch to the accessory position. Press the secret button combo. On your radio, hold the map guide, cancel, and menu buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Access the diagnostic menu. After a few moments, the diagnostic menu will appear on the screen. From here, navigate to Unit Check and select Navi ECU. Record the serial number. The radio's serial number will appear. It starts with the letter H, followed by 10 digits. For example, it might look like HKB 250000331. Write this number down carefully. You'll need it later. Pro tip: double-check the serial number to avoid any mistakes during the next steps. Step 2. Retrieving the unlock code. Now that you have the serial number, let's generate the unlock code. Here's how. Go to the website. Visit hondaradiocodes.com on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Enter the serial number. Type the serial number you just retrieved into the designated field. Take your time to ensure accuracy. Follow the instructions. After submitting the serial number, follow the prompts on the website. You may need to complete a quick payment process before receiving your code. Receive your code. Your unique unlock code will be generated and displayed on the screen. Write it down or take a screenshot for safekeeping. Step 3. Unlocking the radio. You're almost done. With your unlock code ready, here's how to input it into your radio. Turn on the radio, switch the ignition to accessory mode, and power on the radio. You'll see CODE displayed. Input the code. Use the preset buttons to enter your unlock code. For example, if your code is 9917, press button 1 once, button 2 twice, and so on until the entire code is entered. Confirm the code. Press the OK or Enter button on the radio. If the code is correct, the radio will unlock immediately, and you'll regain full functionality. Pro tip: take your time when entering the code. If you make a mistake, the radio may lock temporarily. Troubleshooting common issues. What if something doesn't go as planned? Let's cover some common problems and their solutions. Entered the wrong code. If you enter the wrong code, the radio will display "Wait." Leave the radio powered on for a few minutes, and it will allow you to try again. Lost your serial number or code? Don't worry. Simply repeat the diagnostic menu process to retrieve the serial number and revisit hondaradiocodes.com to generate a new code. Code not working. Double-check the serial number and ensure you're entering the correct unlock code. If issues persist, contact Honda support or consult the website's FAQ section. Final tips for a smooth experience: keep your code handy. Write it down in your owner's manual or save it in your phone for future reference. Prevent power loss. If possible, use a memory saver tool when replacing your car's battery to retain the radio's settings. Reach out for help. If you're stuck, the Honda support team or the website's customer service can guide you. Quick recap: access the diagnostic menu using Map Guide, Cancel, and Menu to find your serial number. Visit HondaRadioCodes.com to retrieve your unlock code. Input the code into your radio to unlock it and enjoy your tunes again. With this step-by-step guide, unlocking your 2008 Honda Odyssey radio is simple and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more helpful tips on maintaining your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!